What gives YOU super strength?
That's a great question, Dr. Yum Yum.
Oh, I'm so tired. Oof, my muscles.
Dr. Yum Yum, are you feeling okay?
I have a mystery food for us today.
Ooh, what is it?
Ta-da!
Wow!
Welcome to the Pep Lab.
Come on in.
Welcome to the Pep Lab, where we make learning delicious.
Today, we're exploring the amazing science of bananas. Potassium.
Potassium, So when you pick up a toy, your muscles use potassium to contract.
And when you put it down, they use it to relax. So, when I want to pick up this toy, my brain sends a message to my arm.
And then what happens? Now, for potassium, imagine your muscles are like a spring.
It helps them relax after they've been working hard.
Oh, my arm, it's so stiff, I can't move it.
Have you ever felt like your muscles were tied in a knot after running? Like a cramp?
When you get a muscle cramp, it's like your muscles are stuck.
Oh no. I heard bananas can help prevent that. Is that true?
Carbohydrates give your body energy, like fuel for a car.
Whoa, awesome.
Vroom.
Ding!
And that's why your parents tell you to eat your carbs. Energy.
So, unlike quick fuel from simple sugars,
Sustained fuel from complex carbs keeps your energy up way longer.
So the potassium in bananas helps your muscles work.
And you need carbohydrates for energy, right?
That's how we get energy from carbs.
So, do bananas really make our muscles strong?
Ah, I've got it.
The banana gives us potassium for our muscles and carbohydrates for energy. When you need a muscle boost, grab this banana.
Hey there, young scientists. Welcome to the Pep Lab.
Today, we're exploring how this amazing banana can supercharge your muscles.
Facts. I love facts.
Welcome to the Fun Fact Zone.
I'm so excited to be here, Professor Pep.
Did you know that bananas grow from a flower, not a tree?
Wow.
This is a sleepy banana, and this is an awake banana.
It's all about ripening.
Did you know that a banana is technically an herb?
No.
Did you know bananas give you super energy?
That's right. They're packed with power for running and playing.
Did you know that bananas are not just tasty, they're also a great source of energy?
That's right, Professor Pep. Just like pressing a power-up button.
Exactly. Bananas give you a fantastic burst of energy.
See how easy that is to open?
It's like nature's own little self-wrapped snack.
The banana truly is a universal superpower fruit.
That's right, Dr. Yum Yum. Bananas are for all ages.
Are you ready for the challenge?
I can't hear you.
Welcome to the challenge zone.
I'm ready to see this superpower.
Welcome to the challenge zone. Today's task is the Build a Tower race.
I'm ready for this.
Today,
We're building a super strong tower.
I think I'm winning.
Oof, my arm is getting tired.
Oh, Professor Pep, you seem a bit tired. Are you getting enough sleep?
You look like you could use a potassium boost, Professor Pep.
Oh, Dr. Yum Yum, you read my mind.
Oh, this banana is absolutely delicious.
He really seems to be enjoying that.
Yes,
We did it! You actually did it. I'm so proud of you.
Bing! Kapow!
Bam!
Zing!
My muscles are amazing!
Mine are even more amazing.
And that's the power of the banana.
go grab one now.
Time for a super snack.
And a delicious way to enjoy the power.
Professor Pep, are you ready to blend some power?
Absolutely, Dr. Yum Yum. Let's show them how it's done.
This recipe is super easy and amazing for your muscles.
We're making the banana smoothie power up. Banana power for those growing muscles.
Absolutely, Professor Pep. You can use almond milk, soy milk, or regular milk.
All great for strong bones.
I'm gonna put a little bit of spinach in our smoothie.
What?
Just a little secret something.
Oh, what's that you're adding there, Dr. Yum Yum? Ready? It's beautiful, creamy super water.
Ready to fuel muscles and brains.
Well, and here it is, our super science smoothie.
The perfect way to end a super science day.
This rainbow smoothie is delicious.
You've got a smoothie mustache.
Your muscles will thank you.
Kids, you have got to try this recipe.
It's time for Food Power Wisdom.
And a delicious experiment. So, let's recap. Bananas give us potassium and carbs for mighty muscles and energy.
Potassium helps your body switch on the power.
No more sleepy muscles.
Carbohydrates give your body energy.
So you can play all day.
Banana equals potassium plus carbs equal.
Mighty muscles and energy.
Oh, I can't believe it was that simple.
I told you. Bananas are so good for you.
Yes, the science shows healthy eating is smart.